Welcome to this ClickShare information video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Home to easily share content from your Android tablet or smartphone with ClickShare and your meeting room display. There are 3 simple steps to take. First, connect your device to your ClickShare Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Google Home app and choose your ClickShare base unit. To stop sharing, open the app again and tap to disconnect. Okay, let's first connect to the ClickShare Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi and select ClickShare from the network list. Log in using the default password ClickShare. Now you are connected and ready to start using Google Home. Google Cast is included in the Google Home app. You can download the latest version of the Home app from Google's Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on the Google Home icon. Now the app is open, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. You should see these options. Tap on Cast Screen/Audio. Select your ClickShare base unit and you are casting your screen. Now you are sharing your device, you can find and share content like this. If you're having difficulty sharing, try switching off your 3G or 4G mobile data connection. When you have finished sharing your device, go to the app again and tap to disconnect your device from the base unit. And that is how you use ClickShare with Google Home.